Picture the struggle, the unwavering spirit, and the indomitable will of a nation yearning for independence, all under the guiding light of one man, Mahatma Gandhi. So here we present a dance drama depicting how his principles became beacons, inspiring our entire nation.
Bird, Sone ki Chidiya, was a famous country of the olden times, known for its spices, culture, and diversity, which attracted many countries all around the world. The discovery of new sea routes to India led many of these countries to form trading companies here to explore the markets of India and of Asia.
In 1612, the East India Company set up its first factory in Surat. Subsequently, trade started to expand throughout Bombay, Madras, and Calcutta. They gradually began to interfere in the internal affairs of India.
Indians didn't know that soon these traders were our next rulers.
Britishers started to show their true colors through their actions that they are going to be the ones to rule over India.
Demand for complete independence had been growing for some years. Many riots were taken against the British, but the national movement entered a new phase after the arrival of father of our nation, Bapu Mahatma Gandhi, born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat.
Mahatma Gandhi got his early education in India. He later went to England to study law. He went to South Africa to practice law. In South Africa, he fought against the oppression of the white rulers and the Indians living there.
First, they will ignore you. Then, they will laugh at you. Then, they will fight with you. And then, you win.